Hey everyone, Kavi from Dishoom here. I'd love to show you how to make one of our Bacon Naan Roll at home kits. In the kit, you're going to get some of this fantastic bacon. We also send you 3 dough balls. We know you only need 2, but in case you mess up, like I often do, you have a spare one just in case. Other ingredients that you get in the kit are some of our delicious homemade chili jam. You'll also get some cream cheese, as well as some coriander. You really want the dough to be at room temperature before you start working with it. The bacon needs to go into the oven nice and hot, something like 180 degrees, and it should take about 15 to 20 minutes. The other thing you need to do is get your frying pan going onto a high heat. Your grill needs to be at a really hot temperature as well. I would put it as high as it can go and move that shelf up to close to the top. A piece of advice though, that the naan will puff up, so don't put it so close that it touches the top, otherwise it will end up burning. The last thing you need to do is get the surface ready to work with the dough. We use oil. You need a couple of drops, not too much, and then we just spread it all over where we're going to roll the dough out. And what we're trying to achieve is a nice circle about 20 centimeters wide. Once you've got it to a shape that you're comfortable with, you just want to let it sit for about a minute to shrink back so it doesn't shrink up when it hits the pan. Place it in the pan for about 30 seconds so we really get that lovely cook on the bottom. It's been about 30 seconds. I'm going to just walk over to the grill and place it under on that top shelf so we get that bubbling and cooking on the top of the naan as well. Well, I'm really pleased with that. So I'm just going to take the naan out and wrap it up so it stays nice and warm. Bacon's out the oven, naans are cooked. We're ready to assemble a bacon naan roll. Have the side that puffed up face down on the chopping board. First thing that goes on is the cream cheese, and spread that all over the naan. The next thing you need is the bacon. So 4 rashers go in the bottom half. Next is our favorite, the tomato chili jam, and then we just spoon it on top of the bacon. So grab half the coriander and just tear it over the naan. We're just going to fold that naked top half onto the lovely fillings, just like this. That's it, guys. A bacon naan roll cooked by you from our home to yours with love. So quite often, if I'm feeling a little bit hungrier or if it's the weekend and I fancy a treat, I fry up a couple of eggs and pop them in there as well with a bacon naan roll. Absolutely delicious.